Okay, the purpose of this post is to save your sanity. So you've just downloaded the latest copy of Filemaker 10 and you're ready to get started. So you go to your dock and you say, oh wait a minute, which one is Filemaker 10? Well, I could click them and I see, oh, this is Filemaker 9, I can tell by this. And then I click on this one and I say, oh, well, this is obviously Filemaker 10. But what if I want to keep FileMaker 9 in my dock because I work on old projects and I need to switch back and forth? Well, for whatever reason, they didn't change the icon, and it's, I believe, the same with FileMaker 8 as well. So this post is to help save your sanity. First thing we're going to do is we're going to quit both applications. So we will quit them. And in this case, I'm going to change FileMaker 9. So I'm going to click Show in the Finder. Up comes FileMaker 9. I'm going to make the little change of adding a 9. Okay, great. Does that do anything? Well, it doesn't initially, but after you open it the next time, and let's cancel that out. And now, well, let's see, actually I think you have to open and close it and then open it again. So let's try that again. Not sure why you have to do it that many times, but so now it shows FileMaker 9 and FileMaker 10 is just the regular. So that's one way to do it. But I'm a visual person. I like to look in the icon and know and not have to wait and hover over it every time. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to right click on the application itself, show package contents, inside of there, double click on that, inside of there, resources. And inside of there we have this little thing called fmapp.icns. And what this is essentially, if you double click on it, you can see in preview, this is the icon, oops, in various sizes of the application with the masks. So I'm going to close that. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to go to www.mscape.com and download a thing called Iconographer 2.5. It used to be shareware, now it's free, so feel free to use it, I guess. Anyway, after I've gone there, I'm going to download and open the application, and here we have it right here. So what I'm going to do is I'll just close out that. First, I would recommend making a copy of this, so if you really screw it up, you can go back to the original. So I'll drag that out to my desktop, and then I will drag it on top of Iconographer. Alright, so here we have our giant thumbnail. So I think what I'll just do is make it easy. I think I'm just going to turn it to red. So I click on my red, I select the pattern, whatever color you want. Red, yellow, blue, it doesn't really matter. So now I've got that, I'll grab my little paint bucket, grab a couple different colors there, you know, go through and do this. Maybe grab the pencil, go through and do it. You can see the preview here on the other side. It can be as neat or as quick as you want on this. I'm not going to take all day, but you get the idea. You go through there, you got to do the same thing to some of the smaller versions. So I'm going to quickly just do a little paint bucket work on these. Like I said, spend all day if you want. Let's scroll down and get the 32-bit version. I'd recommend you spend a little more time than this if you want them to look right, but for demonstration purposes, we'll just do this. Let's see, the small version. Alright, well, anyway, the small 8-bit. So what I'm going to do then is go ahead and close these out. Do you want to save the changes? Sure, we'll save the changes. Not fix this and cause a problem. Regenerate the masks. Sure, why not? We'll just regenerate masks. And now we're done. So if we look at the icon file here, it hasn't changed over on the dock, but if we go back out to our advanced, and we'll just go ahead and open it. And you may have to drag it off the dock first. So let's drag it off the dock. So to regenerate the dock, we'll just drag it off of there, open it up, and now can see down here. Here it is. So now I look at my dock. It not only says FileMaker 9 Advanced, it also is red, so I can easily visually tell the difference between the two. So I hope that helped, and obviously you could change it to anything you want, but hope that helped. Save your sanity.